Good morning, class 12th. Let's start with our another lecture number 3, chapter number 4, strategy of industrial growth. Now, in the previous two lectures, we discussed about importance of industries, okay? IPR 1956, in that we did threefold classification, industrial licensing and concession, and we also did the public sector enterprise and what are private sector enterprise. In this lecture, we shall discuss about SSIs, that means small sector enterprises, small sector industries, small scale industries. Now see, development of SSI, small scale industry. Then first point in this 2 point we need to cover, that is growth of small scale industries and large scale industries. Then we have features of SSI. Now listen. First thing you need to remember is that small scale industry is defined as the one whose investment does not exceed 5 crore. Fine. And in the beginning it was 5 lakh. During 1951 this limit was 5 lakh. Now it is 5 crore. Okay? So this is your small scale industry and then large scale industry. Okay, now see features. First is labor intensive. Now see, labor intensive, that means small scale industry is generally labor intensive. Large scale industry is capital intensive. Clear? To produce a given output, small scale industry is expected to use more of labor than of capital. Large scale industry, on the other hand, uses more capital than labor. Then second point is locational flexibility. Fine. See, we can say that it is equality oriented. Large scale industries is often established close to the source of raw material. Large scale industry will be nearer to the point where they can avail all the facilities. Fine. This is because the facilities like raw material requirement of the large scale industry is very huge. Its transportation requires high cost of transportation. Whereas small scale industries, on the other hand, they are locational flexibility. They are equality oriented, contribute to the balanced regional growth. Fine. That means you can easily shift small scale industry. You can easily set up anywhere you want. Suppose if I take the example of basket weaving, small scale industry है. Pickle making at home, small scale industries की हम आ जाता है, ठीक है. So these are like it is locational friendly. You can shift anywhere. You don't need to set up at the place where you need so much of raw material, where you will require so much of transportation. No, ठीक है. Then we have SSI needs small investment. Therefore, it is equity oriented. That means small scale industries requires less investment as compared to large scale industry. Fine. It does not lead to the concentration of economic power and rather it promotes equality among different sections. That means whether the rich or the poor, they can easily establish the SSI, small scale industries, because not so much of capital is required in small scale industries. Clear? So first we did that two types of industries we have, large scale industries and small scale industry. Suppose if the examples are asked, what are large scale industries? So you can give the examples also. Tata Iron and Steel Company, ठीक है. टिस्को जो है आपकी. देन उसके बाद आपकी कम्युनिकेशन इंडस्ट्रीज जो होती हैं, भिलाई रूड की स्टील प्लांट्स. सो दीज आर व्हाट लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज ऑपरेटिंग एट लार्ज स्केल. नाउ इफ सपोज स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, examples of small scale industries are asked, you can give basket weaving, pickle industry, fine, pickle making at homes. So